How sad our state of nature is, our sin, how deep it stains, and Satan binds our captive minds fast in his slavish chains. But there's a voice of sovereign grace sounds from the sacred word. Ye despairing sinner, come and trust upon the Lord. My soul obeys the almighty call and runs to this relief. I would believe thy promise, Lord. Oh, help my unbelief. Into the fountain of thy blood, Incarnate God, I fly. Let me wash my spotted soul from crimes of deepest dye. Stretch out thine arm, victorious King, my reigning sin subdue, and drive the dragon from his seat and all its hellish crew. A guilty, weak, and helpless worm, on thy kind arms I fall. Be thou my strength and righteousness, my Jesus and my all. My Jesus and my all. My soul obeys the almighty call and runs to this relief. I would believe thy promise, Lord. Oh, help my unbelief.